Hi, I'm Jen, and I want to show you something that changes how meeting intelligence works. First, let me explain what you're about to see. Zoom has something called Surface apps. These are applications that run directly inside the Zoom client during a meeting. Not a bot that joins your call, not a browser tab you switch to. The app lives right there in your Zoom client, in the meeting sidebar with real-time access to the conversation as it happens. The technology behind this is RTMS, Realtime Media Streams. It's Zoom's API that gives developers access to live transcripts as people speak, with less than 1 second of latency. Words will appear in your app almost the moment they're said. What we built is called Arlo. It's a reference implementation. So this is a working example that shows what's possible when you combine Surface apps with real-time transcription data and AI. The AI isn't waiting until the meeting ends. It's analyzing the conversation as it unfolds, surfacing action items, flagging important moments, generating documentation in real time. For developers, this opens up use cases that post-meeting transcriptions simply can't address. I'm going to show you how this works in a real meeting. You'll see the transcript appear live, you'll watch AI features respond in real time, and you'll see how everything connects to stored context from previous conversations. Let's jump in. For legal, every minute is billable and every word matters. Depositions need perfect records. What if the app tracked time automatically and flagged key testimony as it happened? I'm deposing the HR director in Thompson v. Nexus Technologies, a wrongful termination case. Notice the billable timer is already running. It started when the meeting began. Now I'll head over to the transcription feature so that we can have this conversation in real time. Ms. Johnson, were you involved in the decision to terminate Mr. Thompson?
Yes, I reviewed the situation with his manager and our legal team before we moved forward.
What concerns did the manager raise about his performance?
Missed deadlines, communication issues with the team, and some incidents involving client interactions.
Were those concerns documented in writing before the termination?
Yes, there were performance reviews and written warnings in his personal file.
Now to head over to the Arlo Assist features. The billable time tracker has been running the entire deposition. Correct matter number, correct activity code. This exports straight into billing with no reconstruction. Every question and answer is timestamped in the transcript as you saw, and the app is even flagging key terms. When she mentioned documentation and personnel file, those are tagged for easy reference. You could extend this to privilege markers that flag attorney-client discussions, or contradiction detection that compares testimony to prior statements, or exhibit tracking that logs documents when they're referenced. The transcript becomes a searchable legal record. That's the power of RTMS. Real-time transcript data delivered as the conversation happens, not hours later. What you do with that data is completely up to you. You could build AI features inside a Surface app like Arlo. You could pipe transcripts into your own backend systems. You could train models on meeting patterns. You could automate documentation. You could trigger workflows, replace meeting bots entirely. The data is yours the moment it's spoken. Arlo is open source. It's not an actual product. It's a reference implementation of RTMS showing what's possible. The code is available to you, and any developer who wants to build their own meeting intelligence application can hopefully use Arlo as inspiration. We have demos for other verticals as well: healthcare, sales, support, legal, and general note-taking. Links to those are in the description below. Whatever your use case, RTMS gives you real-time foundation. Thanks for watching.